Hi, I'm Luis. Welcome to NearHub Academy. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to use a HDMI cable to connect your computer and other device to NearHub board and use it as a second screen. You need to have your own HDMI cable, and then you need to simply plug it into the back of the board in the HDMI In port. The other end of the cord you are going to connect to your computer. And then you'll see a little pop-up come up on the board. HDMI signal source connected. And now you're able to see whatever is on your computer on the board. This is a great option if you are working on a project with your team and want to bring it up full screen so everyone can see what you are doing. Another way you can use HDMI is to play videos and do annotations on the top. Let's take a look at some matches of the World Cup. Once I hit play, there is an annotation button over here on the right. We just need to click on this and are able to circle highlights and do some technical and tactical analysis. And then, once you are done, you can go back to your whiteboard and import a screenshot with annotations. Meanwhile, your HDMI is going to be docked on the lower left. So, if you want to switch back and forth between whiteboard and HDMI, you can simply come here and select this button to go back to your computer. So that's it for my NearHub Academy. Thanks for joining and wishing you a happy journey with NearHub.